Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class. At this moment we'll be solving some problems on in further pure mathematics from Pearson Edexcel International GCSE past question, further pure mathematics paper 1. And in this class we'll be solving questions 1 and 2 because of time. So quickly we start with question 1. Question 1 is a short problem. So quickly, let's get down to work. Given that 2 root 3 minus 4 all over 3 root 3 plus 5 can be written in the form a plus b root 3, where a and b are integers. Find, without using a calculator, the value of a and b and the value of b. Show your workings clearly. So we start. 2 root 3 minus 4 all over 3 root 3 plus 5 equals to 2 root 3 minus 4 all over 3 root 3 plus 5. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Now this is the conjugate of the denominator, 3 root 3 minus 5. Just change the value, the sign in the middle of this value, of this expression. So upon expansion, we are going to have this time this, we have 6 times 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. Root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. So good. In turn, we multiply 2 root 3 by minus 5. So we have minus 10 root 3. Then we are done with this. We move on to this. Minus 4 times this will give us minus 12 root 3. Minus 12 root 3. And finally, this time this will give us plus 20. All over. This will give us 3 root 3 squared minus 5 squared. So equals to 18. This plus this will give us minus 22 root 3, then plus 20 all over. We have 9 times 3 minus 25, which gives us, adding these two, will give us 38. Then we have minus 22 root 3 all over 27 minus 25, which gives us 38 minus 22 root 3 all over 2. Finally, we have 19 minus 11 root 3 all over 2. We finally have this. Now comparing to this, what we have here, which is a plus b root 3, it implies that a equals to 19 and b equals to minus 11. Good. So we are done with this. Then now we'll move on to the next question. The next question, question number 2. Figure 1 shows the design for a flag consisting of a white cross on a gray background. Let me bring it down a little bit. Okay, A, E, F, G, and D, L, M, N are squares, referring to this two, this and this. Okay, they are squares with size of length 3x centimeters. B, P, Q, R, and C, T, U, V are rectangles with size of length 5x centimeters and 3x centimeters. This and this. Now, The width of the cross is y centimeters. The total area of the flag is h centimeter square. Write down an expression in terms of x and y for h. So we start immediately. Now let's find the area of the square. Area of the square, or area of the squares. So it will give us 3x times 3x times 2. Since there are 2, these 2. So we have 2 times 9x square centimeter squared, which is 18x squared centimeter square. Area of the two, area of the rectangles. That is, these 2 will give us 2 times, I'm multiplying by 2 because there are 2. So the area of remember, area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So we have 5x centimeter times 3x centimeters. So we have everything will give us 30x squared centimeter squared. Good. Now let's calculate the area of the cross. The area of the cross, this length is 3x centimeter, 3x centimeter. Here is y centimeter. So the length of this cross, let's call it cross 1, let's call it rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. So area of rectangle 1 equals to 3x plus 3x is 6x. 6x times 6x plus y, then times the width, which is y as well, centimeter squared. So we have 6xy centimeter squared plus y square centimeter square. So good. Now the area of rectangle 2, area of rectangle 2 will give us recall this side is also 3x. So we have 3x times y. We have 3x times y centimeter square, which is equal to 3xy centimeter square. So area of rectangle 3 equals to this. Also we have to be 5, since this is 5x centimeter. So we have 5x centimeter times y centimeter. Okay, which will give us 5xy centimeter square. So the total area of the cross will give us this plus this. So we have 6xy plus y squared. This 2 will give us 8 plus 8xy. Everything centimeter squared. Good. Now the total area of the flag. Total area of the flag becomes, now everything here, this plus this will give us 48. So we have 18x squared centimeter squared plus 30x squared centimeter squared will give us 48 x squared. Okay, Then adding this to it, we have 6x plus 6xy plus 8xy plus y squared. Everything centimeter squared. We have 48 x squared plus 14 xy plus y squared. Good. Close bracket. Then everything is centimeter squared. So this is the area which is equal to h. This is it. Equals to h. So let me clear this and write it properly. So we have total area is 48 x squared plus 14 xy plus y squared equals to h. So this is the total area of the flag. Good. Given that the area, now let's go to the next question. Next question says, given that the area of the cross is k centimeter square, show that k equals to 14 xy plus y squared. Now we remember that the area of the cross equals to 6xy plus y squared, then plus 8xy, everything squared. Yeah, everything centimeter squared. So adding this and this will give us 14 xy plus y squared, which is actually equals to k as we have here. So good, that has been taken care of. Then we'll move on to the next question. The total area of the flag is to be 32 centimeter square, and the area of the cross is to be 1080 centimeter square. Find the value of x and the value of y. So we begin to solve. The total area of the flag is this, which is 48 x squared plus 14 xy plus y squared equals to 3432. And the other one for the cross, you can call this equation 1 if you like. So for the cross, we have 14 xy plus y squared equals to 1080. Good. We are now required to find the value of x. Find the value of x and y. So this is equation 2. Good. Now let's do this. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 1. We saw equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have this will go, and this will also go. So we have 48 x squared equals to 3432. When we subtract, we have 3432 minus 1. We have 2 5 3. We have this. So good. So we have this 2, 3, 5, 2. So x squared equals to 2, 3, 5. Sorry, let me clean this. So we have 48 squared equals to, excuse me, so I have s squared equals to 2352 all over 48. 2352 all over 48 will give us, okay, 2352 divided by 48. Okay, it will give us 49. 49. So we have here x equals to, let's take the positive root of 49, which is 7. So x is 7. So x is 7, not 7 centimeters, 7. Okay, so x is 7. So now that we found the value of x, now we can substitute this value of x in equation 2. So we have equation 2 is 14 xy plus y squared equals to 1080. So we have 14 times 7 y plus y squared equals to 1080, which is 7 times 4 is 28. So we have 98y plus y squared equals to 1080. We have y squared plus 98y minus 1 is 1080 equals to 0. So factorizing, we are going to have y squared plus 108y minus 10y minus 1080 equals to 0. So factorizing further, we have plus 108 minus 10 y plus 108 equals 0. So y minus 10 y plus 108 equals 0, implying that y equals to 10 or minus 108. So take the positive value. Y cannot be negative. We are considering the positive value, which is 10. So x equals to, therefore x equals to 7 and y equals to 10. Good. I think we've come to the end of the solving. We'll come to the end of the solving. Yeah, we've come to the end of the solving. So x equals to 7 and y equals to 10. This is where we end the class. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.